Okay. Big snowfall. Wow, everything covered. Smoothly. Wow, everything covered. Cycles are dumped inside the snow. Woohoo! So then need to find the car, and definitely car will be under the snow. Ooh. Wow, really, it's a huge snowfall. Oh, this is my car, and you can see how snow has covered everything. I need to clean up the entire space so that I can take my car out. Ooh, car dumped inside the snow. Similar kind of thing. Wow, this one is really amazing. Completely dumped inside the snow. Need to dig out the snow and take the car out. Now it's minus 10 degree and snowfall has stopped a little bit, and whole night it was a complete snowfall. So thanks to the cleaning people. Wow, another one. Very big snowfall, a kind of complete snowstorm. Yeah, it is snowstorm, and people used to live their normal life. Now it is morning 9 o'clock, so still it is like a night time. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and give your support. Thank you.